The anticipation is building and the wait is almost over. Samsung is preparing to unveil its next-generation Galaxy S25 series at the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22, 2025, with pre-orders set to open just 2 days later on January 24. After months of rumors, Samsung fans finally have some concrete details about what's coming, and it looks like the Galaxy S25 will deliver in a big way. For those eager to be among the first to own the latest flagship, pre-orders will be available from January 24 to February 3, with the first deliveries expected to arrive as early as February 4. This release window is notably earlier than the launch of the Galaxy S24 series, which debuted on January 31, marking a slight shift in Samsung's strategy. This move suggests that Samsung is not just competing on hardware, but also trying to outpace its rivals with a faster, more strategic release schedule. One of the most intriguing additions to the S25 lineup is the Galaxy S25 Slim. This new model is expected to be sleeker than the 7.6mm Galaxy S24, though the exact thickness is still a mystery. What's clear is that Samsung is responding to consumer demand for slimmer devices without sacrificing the powerful performance that defines its flagship range. For those looking for a stylish phone that fits comfortably in the hand, the Galaxy S25 Slim could be the perfect option. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to redefine flagship smartphones with its bold new upgrades. The most significant change is the addition of 16GB of random access memory, or RAM, in the higher storage models, which offer 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. This is a first for Samsung's flagship devices in years, and it highlights the growing importance of ad-powered features. With more RAM, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be better equipped to handle demanding tasks, from ad-driven multitasking to advanced photo editing. Speaking of photography, Samsung is also making some big moves with its camera system. The ultra-wide-angle lens is expected to jump from 12 megapixels to an impressive 50 megapixels, marking a significant improvement in image quality. While Samsung is staying tight-lipped about the full camera specs, it's clear that the Galaxy S25 will offer a photography experience that's more powerful than ever before, perfect for capturing stunning images in any situation. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 is likely to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, replacing earlier speculation that Samsung might use its own Exynos 2500 chip. Given the challenges in the supply chain, it makes sense that Samsung would go with Qualcomm for this critical component to ensure a smooth launch. As for the software, the S25 will run on One UI 7, built on the Android 15 operating system. One UI 7 will bring enhanced security features and AI improvements, making the S25 an even more intelligent device. Artificial intelligence is a key focus for Samsung, and the Galaxy S25 series looks set to push the boundaries of what AI can do on a smartphone. Whether it's smarter multitasking, more advanced photo editing, or other cutting-edge features, Samsung is betting that AI will be a major selling point for the Galaxy S25. Industry analysts are predicting a boom in AI-focused smartphone shipments next year, and Samsung's timing could be better. However, Samsung's success with the Galaxy S25 won't just depend on its impressive specs. It will also hinge on pricing. The company will need to strike the right balance between offering innovative features and keeping the devices affordable for consumers. The S25 series feels like a defining moment for Samsung, as it combines sleek designs, powerful hardware, and AI-driven capabilities in a bid to lead the market. But whether consumers are willing to pay a premium for these advanced features is a question that only time will answer. As the Galaxy S25's release approaches, excitement continues to build. With its focus on AI, stunning design, and top-tier performance, Samsung is positioning the S25 to be a true game-changer in the smartphone market. Stay tuned for more updates as the Galaxy S25's official reveal draws nearer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.